Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome in How to Perform Umrah and Hajj, a video series by Ambaloj from Mufakirin. Episode 6, Supplications. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode. Today I will introduce you some of the supplications which are useful during your journey of Hajj and Umrah. This is a supplication for leaving your home. When you are leaving the home, you can recite this Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah wala hawla wala quwwata illa billah. And supplication for travel, which we all know, should know at least, Allahu Akbar, then Subhanallazi sakharna. And this is a complete one. You can do the short one until Rabbana lamunkallibun, but if you can add this complete one, it's beneficial, like Allahumma inna nas'aluk fi safarna hadha, the complete one. And the other supplication, which is talbiyah, the complete talbiyah, labbaik Allahumma labbaik labbaik la sharika lak labbaik innal hamda wa ni'mata lak wal mulk la sharika lak. This is the talbiyah during the Umrah and Hajj you have to recite, and this supplication is for entering into masjid, so you can recite this when you are entering the Masjid al-Haram. Your Tawaf is starting with Bismillah Allahu Akbar, and when you are between the Yamani corner and black stone, this the Dua Ibrahimi, a supplication of Prophet Ibrahim, may Allah be pleased with him. And when you are drinking the Zamzam, this is the supplication for drinking the Zamzam. Supplication when you are exiting from the Haram, which is the similar when you are exiting any masjid. Supplication for Safa, when you are at the mount of Safa starting, then you raise your hands and you recite this one 3 times. Then you start your first round of Saee. When you reach to the Mount of Marwa, you recite this verse, and again this is the supplication for Saee, so you can also recite this one. And when you are in the Arafaat, this is the supplication on the day of Arafaat. This is the best dhikr you can do, the best supplication you can do on the day of Arafaat, while you are standing in Arafaat, Waquf Arafaat. This supplication is for Jumrah, so when you are standing, you say Bismillah Allahu Akbar. And then I have put another episode which is 40 Quranic supplications. Look out for that episode. That will give you the 40 different supplications from the Quran. You can use them during your normal prayers, when you are in the Masjid Haram, or when you are in the Masjid Nabawi, or on the day of Arafah. And in many places during your journey of Hajj or Umrah, you can use these supplications. So look for this episode. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like, hit the thumbs down button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I see you in the next episode. Ma salama.